The paper is led during its drying process over a series of very hot drying cylinders. These cylinders, which reach a surface temperature of up to 140 degrees Celsius, in the case of brown papers even 180 degrees Celsius, are heated with steam. The steam joints mounted actually on the cylinders have the task, on the one hand, of conveying the steam into the cylinders and, on the other, of discharging the condensate out of the cylinder. As a rule, both the introduction of the steam and the discharge of the condensate take place on the drive side. A great advantage of our Series 2000K steam joints is the antimony impregnated carbon sealing rings between the very fast rotating drying cylinders and the stationary steam joints. The status of wear can be seen and measured, and a spring load ensures trouble-free performance even during negative pressure operation. With our stationary changing device, the carbon sealing rings can be exchanged very quickly on the spot. The shutdown times for this are kept very short. The stationary siphon is suitable for every application, both for low speeds and sump operation, as well as for maximum speeds with a developed condensate rim. The siphon tube can be designed to be both horizontally adjustable by a simple clamping unit. This can be very advantageous if the information on the position of the balancing weights of the cylinder is uncertain. It can, however, also be adjusted in height, whereby diameter differences of the cylinders caused by manufacture are compensated for in order to set an optimal condensate thickness. If the shoe should again touch the shell, the Teflon from which the siphon shoe is manufactured protects the cylinder shell from damage. The supporting tube is lead cantilevered through the dryer journal. Two tie rods which, due to their length, are insensitive to temperature changes, hold the supporting tube securely in position. The inflowing steam surrounds the supporting tube over its entire length inside and out so that it is not subjected to any temperature stresses. The siphon shoe is always in the condensate, so it is therefore not possible for the cylinder to be flooded. A vortex chamber in the siphon shoe ensures a reliable discharge of condensate at the lowest differential pressures and blow-through steam rates. Steam is always applied, as already mentioned at the beginning, on the drive side. In the case of very wide webs, predominantly in graphic papers, that is very long drying cylinders, the condensate discharge is alternately arranged on the front side and drive side for uniform drying of the paper web. On the drive side, half of the dryers are therefore equipped with a combined steam joint. The other half of the dryer has the condensate discharge on the front side. The Series 2000K steam joints from Voith guarantee an optimal drying cylinder capacity. They work at the lowest differential pressures, that is, with high energy savings, reduced downtime, and therefore also production losses, and increase the production capacity of your paper machine.